Hi, this is Gary Fonseca from Online Printing and Graphics. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a file and output it to a PDF so that it can be ready to go straight to press. So what you're looking at here is a file that is ready to go. It's got the appropriate bleeds. That's the outer margin that you're looking at there, as well as the inner margins, the dotted line on the inside. If we take a look at this image right here and we delete it, go ahead and delete it. Now you get to see the page. So that's actually the page size. So the dotted lines on the inside are the margin, dotted lines on the outside are the bleeds. So let's go ahead and move forward and show you how to get here. File new. You're going to change your document size to whatever you need, 3.5 by 2 in this case, since it's a business card. And you're going to want to set up the document for whatever it may be. If it's an 8.5 by 11, if it's 8.5 by 14, use whatever appropriate size you need. Then what we're going to do from here is show you how to set up the margins and the bleeds. You go to Tools, Options, and the first window that pops open gives you an opportunity to go ahead and set up the bleed. So we're going to make that 0.125, which is 1/8 of an inch. We're going to mark Show Bleed Area. Then we're going to go ahead and change our margins. You're going to find that under Guidelines here, and then under Presets. And you're going to mark the button User Define. So you hit the User Define button there. Margins, 0.125. Top and left, 0.125. We have the Mirror Margins box checked, so it'll do the same on the bottom and on the right. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And so now you see there on the outside, you see your bleeds, and on the inside you see margins. So if we go ahead and place our artwork there that's ready to print, you're going to go ahead and from here go to File, Publish to PDF, and we're going to go ahead and select a PDF preset called Prepress. There's a few modifications that we want to do, so we go in and hit Settings. From there, you want to go ahead and go to Prepress. Make sure your bleed limit there is 0.125, and you also want to add crop marks. The next step we're going to do is critical to make sure that the fonts don't change, and that you're going to find under the section of Objects. You're going to check the box that says Export All Text as Curves. You're going to click that box and you're going to hit OK. Now you can save this preset. You can name it to be whatever you want, such as online printing or any of the above, and so that you can just use this preset and it'll hold whichever settings you want, which is the crop marks, the bleed settings, the fonts that are critical. You're going to go ahead and name it wherever and whatever you need. BC Mad Science in this case. We're going to go ahead and hit Save. We're going to go ahead and navigate to that file and take a glance at it here. BC Mad Science, and here we have our file that is ready to go. That is our image that's outside of the page area, the bleeds. We also have our crop. I hope this has been helpful for you and that it's answered questions that you have. Thanks and have a good day.